Alright, what's up everyone? So today we made 5.6k across all fives account trading ES. Very nice day to be honest. So the past days, this week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday was pretty ass to be honest. We had no news, price was just moving up and down, very choppy, but we made it work, right? So I'll show you guys the recap. I'll show you guys my stats, right? So yeah, let's start. Today we had news at 9:45 and 10, right? So we had to be careful. And yeah, today I was on ES. So I was backtesting since price was choppy. Not the past week, but from Monday to today, right? So I was in my room backtesting. I backtested NQ, YM, and ES, right? So I made a page here on Notion. I took all the data that I could. So on what's it called, trading view, I can only go so back far with the 5 minute, right? So I had about 2 weeks of data. My same strategy, same everything, just all of this right there is NQ, then ES, then YM, right? I wanted to find which one is the best pair at the moment. And then yeah, so each day, for example, NQ today, not today but last Monday, for example, clean rejection of the fair value gap, okay, example like that. And then I found the best pair. So the pair that I'll start trading right now will be ES. Same strategy that I use. 1, 2, 3, 2. And I'll be risking this. So 25 for 75 or 6 point for 18 points, right? It's a 1, 2, 3. I found that ES is a clean and simple chart, setups are clean. Same as NQ, but less harder. NQ is so volatile that it's rewarding, but it's risky too, right? ES, I found it the perfect, right? The sweet spot, let's say, the sweet pair. YM is cool, but the tick value is so less that it's not even worth the trade. It's still good, but I wouldn't do it. So ES is perfect. So yeah. Remember guys, if you guys are enjoying, subscribe. Would mean a lot for me. So yeah, let me just delete this. Okay, here, let's just leave that. Accounts. Sorry. So 5 Express, 1.122. So multiply by 5, 5.6k USD. So very nice. Not only the trade that we did wiped out all the losses that we got on the account, but we're in profit for this week too. So performance. So like we said, this week was very trash, but we made it work. We lost little amount, we made big amount. So this week, Monday, I did the video right there. Simple trade, just lost it, right? All of this was on NQ except this one. This is ES. Break-even day, so didn't bother to make a video. And then this loss, I did, so my usual risk, 250, and then I took half of that, so 125, so 360. So yeah, and one good trade wiped out all the losses, and I'm in profit for this week. Even if I lose tomorrow, I'll still be in profit on this week, right? So that's just perfect. 1, 2, 3 is very nice. And yeah, 1 trade, 2 trades, 3, 2. Okay. So that's my stat. You guys can see it here. Now let's log out. And let's do the recap. So yeah, even if I lose tomorrow, I'll be in profit on the whole account, whole week. And if I win, then that's going to be even better, right? So let's start. Recap ES. So like always, session highs, session lows. Tac. Do I see any fair value gaps? We have above, but No point of marking them, they're way too far. Nothing on the 1 hour. On the 30-minute though, we had this one. So that's new. Normally I look for 1 hour to 4 hour, right? But on the 30-minute we have this one. Now I marked it, but I didn't trade it. I didn't take a trade off this gap right there. Go to the 5-minute. Is there a box that we can draw? Not really. Okay, just leave it then. So perfect. And we had this one right there. I forgot to write it, to mark it. 30-minute, 5-minute. As we've seen already, without doing anything on the 5-minute, 9 rejected, rejected, rejected. 9:30 came back, rejected again. If I was to take this trade from there, I would have got my 1, 2, 3 easily. So 25 for 75. And now one contract on ES is 312, okay? So Nasdaq I was risking 250, now it's about 300, which is basically the same thing. Risk is still good. So 312 for a 3RR, 936 across 5 accounts. Perfect. Anyway, so I was just waiting, right? Then this gap got filled, but I didn't take it off of that because it wasn't on the 1 hour, for example, okay? So I didn't trust it. So from there, I just waited. Now I know that we have news at 9:45 and 10, so I had to be careful. If you guys didn't see the clip, I posted a short about me taking the trade, right, and winning. So go check it out. So now I was just waiting. 9:40, we rejected off Asia low, right? So from there, 9:45, I just took it. I didn't take it at 9:45 because we had news, so I just waited. But then since I see it rejecting again, 9:50, I took the trade. Yes. And then I was like, okay, at 10 we have news, so either it's gonna fly up or maybe go down, right? So at my 1, 2, 3, I aimed all the way to Asia high and broke even. And then at 10 we were we were ranging. Okay, no, I was aiming all the way to London high, but price was like just stuck at Asia high, so I just took my trade right there. I closed my position. So I took about a 3.5, right? Which is still good. Usually 3.3, not 3.3. Usually 3RR is what I should have took. Close the position at. But since we had news, I just aimed for at least the session highs, and it was good. So that's the recap here. Very easy. Like I said, if you guys have a strategy, you should check. Take the main pair, okay? I don't trade gold, so I didn't bother to check. Nasdaq, ES, YM. Nasdaq, super volatile. Setups and the chart is a little bit harder, but it's rewarding, right? It's quick too. YM, I'd say it's for like, not beginners, but it's more beginner friendly, right? It's slow and the tick value is not that much. So you still can make money, but not that much, right? Then ES, clean chart, clean price action. The way it moves, it's not fast like NQ, but still has good setups. Even better than NQ, personally. So yeah, I'll be trading ES for now. What else? Yeah, that's about it. So you guys seen, yesterday I lost, today I won. I didn't make a video about yesterday since price action was just that, so I'm like, I was checking, nearly everybody lost too, like the big people who trades, so I didn't bother. Yeah, very nice. Hopefully tomorrow we have a winning trade. And yeah, whatever happens, happens. That's perfect. And from there, slowly growing up till I can have 10K in each account, so I can request a 5K payout USD. So yeah, that was for today. So yeah, if you guys are winning or losing, doesn't matter. I would recommend you guys just go find a pair for your strategy that works well. At the moment, I was always trading NASDAQ, but NASDAQ and ES, they move the same, right? But I found that ES is just smoother. So yeah. So if you guys enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.